Dear students, in this video, we are going to see an introduction to file. File is nothing but a collection of data in the form of records, and most prominently, it is stored in the auxiliary storage devices. For example, like a hard disk or CD or DVD, etc. We are going to see what is meant by file and what are the different categories of files available, and with the examples. Files are a collection of data stored in the auxiliary device like hard disk or CD. Even you can store the file in a pen drive. The data may be either a text document, an audio, or a video, or image document. Already you know that there are two different types of memory devices available. One we call it as a primary device, where we can call it as a read-only memory or random access memory, both used in CPU for storing data, and the processor is getting the data from the primary memory. For storing voluminous data, we are having secondary storage devices like hard disk or CD or DVD, where we can store a large amount of data or large volume of data, and that can be used later by the primary devices. The files could be classified as text file and binary file. Text files are nothing but a data stored in the form of characters and n with /n as end of line character. And you can see and you can understand on reading the text file. So it is human readable. Binary files are stored in the form of binary numbers 0 or 1, and the data are not human readable. We cannot be able to understand what is the content of the binary file. The examples for text files, you can see the web file, for example, HTML document or XML document or Cascade style sheet, CSS document or JSON document, and all kinds of programming language code, either C or CPP or Java or Python or JavaScript. The files are called text files. And the tabular data like a comma separated value or a tab separated value, and configuration files like INI file, CFG file, or registry files, all these files are called as a text file. Now we can see what are the examples for binary files. All kinds of documents like doc, PDF, and spreadsheet files, all kinds of image files like JPG, GIF, or BMP, all kinds of video file like MP4, and audio files like MP3, and database files like MDB, SQLite, etc. And archive files, that is compressed files like zip or tar, and executable files like .exe files, .dll file, .class files are called binary files. So we should understand these two different types of files normally available, and we should know how we can able to store these files in a auxiliary memory devices. Once we store the file, then it is necessary to access the file for reading and writing on the file. So naturally, we have four different types of operations that we can make it in a file. One is open the file. Second one is read one, or third one is write one. And at the end of the job, we have to close the file. So we have to perform various kinds of operations on files. And these kinds of operations are very much essential for any programming language. So for all the programming language, we have to know how we can create a file, how we can modify the file, and how we can write the file or read the file, etc. So in the next video, we will see how we can create a file in Python and how we can able to do various kinds of file operations in Python. We'll see it in the next video. Thank you very much.